8 ways how your shoes can pull down your career and wealth. Sometimes things go haywire and our life is struck by endless struggles and misfortune which could have been unknowingly caused due to our shoes. Vastu Shastras explain that a person's feet are the road to his destiny, and how well he manages his or her foot health and care could lead to a lot of opportunities and mishaps. Our ancient scholars advised us with things that we must not do with whatever footwear we have, and also where, when, how we should wear shoes, or else risk the possibility of losing out on career opportunities and wealth. One should never wear any footwear which is either stolen or received as a gift. Such footwear would never help you reach your goal and would always pull down your luck and career prospects. If you are going for an interview, you should never wear a footwear which is either torn or in trodden condition. It converts all your luck into misfortune. Scholars advised against wearing a brown footwear or wood color footwear to your workplace. If things are already in bad shape, this could turn it into your worst nightmare. Brown shoes must be avoided at workplace at all cost. People associated with banking or education related workplace must avoid wearing coffee or dark brown color footwear if they do wish to jeopardize their jobs. Such shoes bring bad luck to your income source. If you are working in medical or medicine field or any work related to iron, then you must never wear white shoes. Wearing white shoes could invoke bad luck and loss of wealth. If you are related with water work or Ayurvedic field, then avoid wearing blue color footwear and also be careful against cloth made footwear. Blue is not suited for you guys. Vastu Shastra advises that the shoes must be taken off right at the entrance or kept near the entrance in a rack, but in case the entrance of your house is either in north or east direction, then it is advised to never keep the shoe rack near the entrance, no matter what. Shoes must never keep in hanging state inside a home. If done, it would bring in death, worst of misfortunes, and critical health problems to family members. Two shoes must never be placed one over the other or one inside the other. It jeopardizes the energy of the house and leads to professional failure. After death, the deceased's footwear must be either donated or buried and never be kept in home. It's an invitation to bad omen. Never keep shoes on table or bed, even the new ones, even for a minute of resting purpose. Such setup represents death energy. Also, never push your footwear under the bed. They must be only placed on the side of bed or couch or in the rack. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.